Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. In this video, we are going to talk about the rumors of upcoming flagship smartphone from Redmi that could be powered by Snapdragon 855 processor. A recent render by a blogger on Weibo has showed an unknown Redmi smartphone with full view display, pop-up selfie camera and an in-display fingerprint sensor. As these are rumors, I would suggest you to take all this info with a grain of salt, but there are proofs that shows Redmi might be working on this dream flagship smartphone. Redmi's vice president and head Lu Weibeng had stated some time ago that Redmi will launch a Snapdragon 855 powered smartphone. There is also a recent image of Lee Jun using a mystery smartphone with blazing red finish that went viral in expectation of chance of Duneways in the making. Do you guys feel this might be Redmi Pro 2? Share your thoughts on the comment section. The Redmi Pro 2 will feature a bezel-less full view Full HD Plus display at front, which should be one of the selling points for the device. The Redmi Pro 2 will be powered by Qualcomm's latest flagship processor, the Snapdragon 855 with 6 or 8 GB of RAM. Redmi Pro 2 will sport a triple rear camera setup. The primary sensor will be a 48 megapixel snapper from Sony, the IMX586, which should provide great pictures. As of now, we don't know exact details about the other two snappers, but my guess is one will be a depth sensor and other could be an ultra-wide sensor. At the front, Redmi Pro 2 will feature a pop-up selfie camera, but we don't know what sensor Redmi is planning to use. Most smartphone manufacturers are moving towards pop-up selfie cameras, but the consumers are quite skeptical about physical moving parts. Are you guys happy with pop-up selfie camera on Redmi Pro 2? Share your thoughts in the comment section or in polls. The device will run MIUI 11 out of the box on top of Android 9 Pie. The Redmi 2 Pro will also feature a rarest feature among smartphones nowadays. You guys guessed it will feature a 3.5mm headphone jack. Redmi Pro 2 will be the first Redmi smartphone to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor. As of now, we do not have any details regarding the battery, but I guess Redmi will go with a 4000 mAh battery unit and will also include Quick Charge 4.0 support. The device is expected to launch in China by May, but Redmi hasn't said anything about the India launch of Redmi Pro 2. Being a price-sensitive market, the phone might never see the light of day in our country, but I feel it's one of the interesting smartphones from Redmi, and I think Redmi Pro 2 could help Redmi to capture the 25,000 to 30,000 market. You may ask me then what's the point of launching Poco F2? The answer is, it's a smartphone that solely depends on performance. You will not get any innovative and flagship features like full view display, pop-up selfie camera and in-display fingerprint sensor. I feel Redmi can price Redmi Pro 2 around 27,000 for the base variant, which should provide a solid budget flagship option for consumers. Are you guys interested in Redmi Pro 2? Do you guys think Redmi should launch Redmi Pro 2 in India? Share your thoughts on the comment section or in polls. If you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.